So I want to help you guys work through one of the counting problems on the worksheet for your extra credit. So this is a similar problem. It's related to the problem on the worksheet about picking a committee from Senate. So I'm going to phrase this a little differently, and hopefully it's a little easier to follow. So imagine you want to pick 3 balls. And first, let's just count how many ways are there to pick 3 balls. All right, well, here I have, I've got 8 balls total. Notice that I've numbered them 1 through 4, and I've got 2 different colors here. So if I just want to pick 3, the number of ways to do that, we know that. That should be C83. Okay, so that's great. But how many ways are there to pick 3 balls so that they all have a different number? Alright, let's look at some examples. What could I do? Well, I could pick 3 balls and have them all be blue, right? Like these 3. But I guess I could also pick like this one here and these red 3 and 4, right? They all have different numbers, and that's all I care about. Okay, so I want to pick 3 balls, different numbers. First of all, I have the numbers 1 through 4, so I'm going to make this into 2 choices. So first, what number am I picking? What numbers? So I have 4 numbers to pick from, so there are 3 ways to pick 3 of those numbers, right? So let's say I was going to pick 1, 2, and 3. Alright, so I'm going to pick 1, 2, and 3. Now that I know what number I want, I still have another decision to make, and that's the color. What color? Well, for that 1, for my 1 ball, is it going to be red or blue? Alright, well there are 2 decisions to make there. For the 2 ball, is it going to be red or blue? Well, there are 2 decisions to make there. And for the 3 ball, is it going to be red or blue? Okay, there are 2 decisions to make there. Okay, so the total number of ways to pick 3 balls that they all have a different number is this guy. C43 times 2 cubed. Alright, so see if you can try to rephrase the problem for the senators in a similar way. So there are 2 senators from each state. Imagine one of the senators is a blue ball and one of them is a red ball. Okay, let me know if you have any questions, and I'll be able to get back to you Sunday afternoon.